Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring you have essentials: an active email or phone, a strong password, and the Instagram app or web page. Tap Sign Up, choose phone or email, then enter details, use your real name for discovery, and set a memorable username. Once done, verify the codes sent to your device and add a profile photo now. This improves reach. Make sure to toggle to a personal account when prompted. Personal accounts unlock core features and keep your profile optimized for friends and family. Next, build the middle. Craft a clear bio with what you do, a contact method if desired, and a link to a website or landing page. Switch privacy and security settings to your comfort level. Make two-factor authentication on for safety. Import contacts and follow 20-50 accounts you genuinely care about to populate your feed. Once you post your first 3 photos or reels, use relevant hashtags, location tags, and consistent captions. These choices help the algorithm surface your content to the right people. Finally, complete setup by refining how you present content. Schedule posts 3 times weekly at peak hours, diversify with 1 reel and 2 static posts per week, and save templates for captions. Engage actively. Reply to DMs and comments within 24 hours to grow relationships. Monitor insights weekly to see reach, impressions, and saved counts. Adjust frequency and hashtags based on performance. If you run into issues like login blocks or disappearing posts, try clearing app cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.